You just created a prefab out of your object. Now, you want to export it to an FBX item. I will show this in this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content. Go to the Unity Package Manager and download the FBX Exporter. When the install is complete, go back to the scene you can find it in Game Object and then Export to FBX. First, select the object or prefab you want to export. Then go to Game Object, Export to FBX, and then this screen will open. Make sure to select everything you want, like embed textures, and press Export. The FBX file will download into the file you want. As you can see in the console, it was successfully exported and now you can use it to explore some more.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.